Yes. What's going on, guys? We are live. We are live. My name is Ben, aka Day Trading Addict, and we are going to look at the live market today. See if we can definitely get some good trades going on. But we will see. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button over here. I help struggling traders get to the next level, okay? And I help advanced traders get to the next level. I've been trading the markets for 13 years. This is what I do. I love it. I trade Monday through Friday from home. And if you guys have any questions, you can type it in, or basically, if you're watching that replay, you could type in your questions in the comment box. Now, if you're watching that replay, guys, a couple of things you can do, because I'm probably stream for maybe 9 o'clock all the way till like 11 or maybe even 12. We'll see. If you want to watch the stream, you can speed it up by hitting settings, hitting the speed button, speed it up 1.5 or 2, okay, to speed up the replay. All right. Now let's get this party started. I don't know how many people are going to join today. My channel is still small, still growing, so I don't know how many people is going to join today. But overall, we're going to get this party started, and we're going to look for more. We're going to just basically wait for more people to come in. It looks like I'm going to try to restart the computer. Hold on. It looks like it's good. It looks like it's good. Hold on. We might be good. Ridiculous, man. All right. So in the meantime, if I don't have to restart my computer, I'll let you guys know. I didn't go live in a long time. All right, so let me answer some questions real quick. Let me see what's going on here. I don't see anything right now. I'm looking at I'm looking at the British pound right now. Let's go on the 5-minute chart. So I don't see anything right here. This market doesn't look good for me. Let's go on the euro right here. Okay. The euro is pretty much ranging. So I don't want to probably deal with this. We're going to probably look at the NASDAQ. We're going to look at gold. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at my comments on my phone. So let me get my phone up. And I'm gonna answer. Just give me some time, guys. I'm gonna answer some questions. I'm trying to get this thing to work. I know for man. I knew I was supposed to basically restart my computer. It is what it is, you know. All right, so let me see if I see any questions, guys. What's going on? Phil said he's from. I believe I'm saying your name right. Philly said he's from South Africa. Man, shout out to you, bro. We have Magic. What's going on, Magic? Okay, we got Adam. I have a few questions. I just started trading and trying to master the US30. Yeah, let me know what question you have, guys. Type it in. Let's look at the US30. It didn't open yet, so I'm gonna look at that later. Let's look at gold real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely answer your guys' questions. Now, gold is looking real good. Gold is looking real good, guys. We got a nice little breakout. Gold is something that I'll probably look to probably get in if it give us a pullback. Now gold looking good. Let's look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil should be open. So right now, my eyes is on gold right now, and we're gonna look at NASDAQ and the US30 soon. Just give me a second, guys. All right, so oil is trying to basically, we're in this consolidation. It's trying to come out of it. Okay, so you notice how we man, you don't know how bad I want to restart this stream because I can tell my computer's lagging a little bit. So anyway, we have a nice little breakout right here. Okay, and I'm looking for to see how it breaks out. You know what I'm saying? So we have to see if this is going to be a forced breakout and they want to come right back up. You know, we go from there. All right, so let's go to some questions now. I'm gonna keep my eye on gold. Keep my eye on gold. Gold is popping out right here. All right, so let's go to some questions now. All right, so all right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. You guys can still hear me, right? Right. We have Adam said he had a few questions. And Adam, are you still on the stream? And Magic said, "How do we contact you?" You can. I have an Instagram. Let me send you guys the Instagram. All right. I have actually my Instagram is basically the same page. I mean the same name. Okay. So contact me. I'm gonna give you guys my Instagram right now. Right. You can DM me on the Instagram. All right, here you go. If I can get it. All right, that's the Instagram right here. All right. That's my new Instagram. Okay, I just basically started up that. So I just started that page. So basically, I'm trying to build that up real quick. But overall, that's how you, if you want to contact me, that's how you contact me. Let me see if I see some more questions, guys. If you guys have any trading questions, let me know. Let me see here. What is the best way to trade US30? That's Adam. Okay, so basically, when it comes to trading, there's no best way. Okay, and what I mean by that is you have to understand. You have to understand the market in general. Okay, so hold on, guys. Hold on. So when it comes to trading, you have to understand the market. When I mean you have to understand the market, okay? Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I just plugged in my monitor. Hold on. Just give me a second. I just plugged in my monitor. Let's see if the stream is going to act up. All right, the stream looks pretty good. All right, cool. Yeah, so when you trade, right, you have to understand when the market is trending. Then for some reason, I don't think, hold on, guys. I don't think this monitor is going to work. Hold on, let me unplug this monitor real quick. I might have to actually restart this stream. I definitely didn't want it to. But I'm looking at my charts on my monitor. and it's basically acting crazy right now. All right, so most likely I can't plug in my monitor, so I'm gonna leave that out. All right, so yeah, when you trade, guys, all right, you have to understand what the market is doing. That's number one. That's the main thing, guys. All right, trust me, I've been doing this for 13 years. The main thing is understanding the structure of the market, right? Most new traders, what they do, most new traders, is they basically they get caught up with indicators, setups, and I understand. Trust me, I was a new trader too, and I always wanted to know the best setup. I always wanted to know the best indicator, okay? But you have to understand structure first, meaning you have to understand what the market is doing. This present moment, right now. What is the market doing right now, okay? If you can't answer that question, then it's going to be very, very, very hard for you to trade. So, number one, understand what the market is doing. Okay, is it trending? Is it ranging? Is it looks like it's about to reverse? Is it consolidating? Okay, are we about to break out? Whatever the case is, and then when you go from there, you have to pick what kind of trader you want to be. I trade supply and demand. Okay, so I look for smart money to come in. Okay, I look for a nice little demand push if we're going to the upside, or a supply push if we're going to the downside. Okay, the reason why I do that is because, remember, we don't retailers, we don't move the market. Okay, so I really love to see when smart money comes in because they can push the market. So even if I want to grab a couple of ticks or pips in the market, okay, the odds is going to be in my favor because, you know, smart money's in the market. So I believe, this is just my opinion, you know, learning that way, learning how to look for supply and demand when it comes in, is a good, you know, a good place to start when it comes to beginners. So that's what I do, Adam, when it comes to the US30. Now, right now, guys, we have gold, okay, pulling back. Remember, I don't trade on TradingView, so my charts is actually on the other monitor. So we're waiting for something on gold. Meanwhile, while gold is pulling back, I'm gonna look at some more charts and I'm gonna answer some more questions, guys. And like I said before, if you hear me pause a little bit, okay, that means that I'm looking at a chart and I might see a setup, so I can't really talk, okay? Now, during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, right? Disclaimer is in the description. What else? Natalie asked me, do I have IG? Yeah, shout out to Natalie, man. Shout out to you. I remember you made a comment before on one of my videos. Yes, Natalie, I have IG. I just posted that the IG in the live chat, so I'm quite sure you saw that. Let me know if you didn't. Let me go to some more questions. Now, gold, we want gold to pull back a little bit more, but we'll see. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna check my other charts. Just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna check my other charts. I don't want to miss a trade right now. You know, don't want to miss a trade. But in the meantime, welcome. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, look at crude oil. Actually, crude oil looking real good. Crude oil. Hold on, guys. Let's look at crude oil real quick. I probably missed a trade on crude oil. crude oil has a possibility of rejecting right here. So I'm gonna definitely watch it. I think I missed that trade. Let me see here, guys. Yeah, crude oil is looking real good. But I'm gonna wait. Definitely gonna wait. Now, but crude oil has that ability to go down. Definitely has that ability to go down. Right? Yep. So basically, I was looking at my 4-minute chart on my other chart. Okay, and pretty much I've been in the move already. And I would look for the lows on crude oil. We missed that trade anyway. Nice little trade on the crude oil. So another thing I forgot to tell you guys, this week what I'm gonna try to basically do is I'm trading multiple markets. I usually only trade the NASDAQ, okay, and look at that. But right now I'm looking at multiple markets. So I'm looking at gold, I'm looking at crude oil, I'm looking at US30, I'm looking at a couple of Forex pairs, and what else I'm looking at? S&P 500. All right, so crude oil is looking good. Let me just see some other charts right now. So just give me a second, guys. Let me see if I see anything else. All right. So EU. All right. So let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing, guys. Crude oil definitely looks weak. But I missed that boat. If it's going to go down, I missed that boat already. Let's see what's going on with gold. Gold is definitely have an ability to pop up. I'm looking for a little bit. If it can pull back some more, I'm hoping I can pull back some more. In the meantime, let's look at some more questions, and then we're going to go from there. I'm surprised I got 17 people in the chat room, man. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to all my addicts, okay? Because, I'm not the only one addicted to these markets, guys. Shout out to all my addicts, man. I remember I started this, I remember at least a month ago, I had I swear, either a month or a month and a half, I had at least 39 or 50 some subscribers, and now I'm up to almost 600 subscribers, man. Shout out to you guys, man. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel, liking it, watching the videos. Definitely, man. Now gold, this looks like a very, very good entry right here. I'm not going to get in it though, but this, I'm not going to lie, I want to get in this, but I wanted to pull back a little bit more, but this right here looks very, very good. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, the reason why I didn't go long is because I'm trading multiple markets, right? And when you trade multiple markets, when I trade multiple markets, I'm very, very picky, okay? Because I have options. So, since I have options, I'm not gonna jump in a trade right away. Okay. Yes, this trade looks very good. It might leave me in the dust, and it might go up. But I want I want it to pull back a little bit more. Okay, and we might get that pullback. You see? So we'll see. If we get that pullback, guys, okay, I'm definitely see. So that's why, but don't get it twisted. Like, this is a good setup, right? It's a good trade right here, and it still might work. But me personally, since I'm trading multiple markets, I'm not going to basically get in, okay? Because I want, to be honest with you, I want to see A+ setups, all right? That's how I'm playing these markets right now, because I'm trading multiple markets. Now, if I wasn't trading multiple markets and I was only trading one market, I'd be looking to get in maybe every little, turn. Okay, not every little turn, but every opportunity I get. Okay, it might be a B+ setup, or might be whatever. But since I have multiple options, I'm not gonna get in this one. Okay, because I know this is not an A+ setup. But if you notice how we had a nice little, bullish bar right there, that was a possibility, okay? That's why I love doing these live streams, because I show you guys how to, what's the word I'm looking for? How to basically have patience, I guess. Most of you guys want to jump into a trade. Now, let's say that I did take this trade, right? Let's say I did take this trade and I got stopped out. Guess what? Oh, well, on to the next. See, some of you guys, you got to get to that level. I think some of you guys are not on that level yet where you don't care. And I guess it's going to take you having a good strategy, all right? That's number one. Putting up some reps, meaning that, you put enough practice in to know, okay, that your strategy works, okay? If you know that your strategy works to the point where if you take X amount of trades, okay, and if you take a loser here, it's a strong possibility your next trade could be a winner, okay? So you wouldn't care about this loss right here. Now, this trade has, let me see, did somebody get stopped out? Let me see. Let me move this real quick. Now let's see. Let me see. They get stopped out. Yeah, they about to get stopped out. Whoever went long right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at gold. The market is about to open, guys. S&P 500, the US30. Those are the markets that I'm really looking at right now. Gold is looking good, but S&P 500, US30, all these markets are about to open, and it's about to get crazy, guys. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you how crazy it gets sometimes. Let's see if I get it, if the market is open. Once the market opens, it gets really, really crazy. So, to me, the way this market is going down, we can definitely get a pop, okay? Let me show you real quick. So, I believe it could definitely break this trend line, okay? If I can draw this trend line, ridiculous, man. So it's a strong possibility we're gonna probably break up. Okay. But if we don't break up, okay, that means that this trend line is holding and it's probably gonna test the lows. But a lot of times in the morning time, these guys like to play games. So right now, guys, oh, there you go. You hear that? You hear that bell? Ding, 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 ding. That means money time. That means money time. You see how crazy this popped up? Money time for the big dogs. Smart money is looking to take everybody's money right now. Look at NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. Shooting up. Look at that. Shooting up. That open, man, that open don't play. That's why sometimes I just chill out, sit, and watch. So we're going to most likely probably break it. We'll see. Now, if it rejects this line right here, trend line right here, it's a strong possibility. We're probably going to crack it. Maybe go to the lows, but I don't know. We'll see. It gets really wild in the morning time. Let's see what gold is doing, guys. Actually, let's look at US30. I remember somebody asked me about US30. It just opened too, so let's look at US30 real quick. I don't see a trade going on. I do see gold. Gold is the only opportunity that I see right now that I'm liking right now. US30 is popping up right now, guys. It's popping up right now. It's still looking kind of sloppy though. Let me check my gold real quick, guys, on my other screen. Just give me a second. Trying to check gold. Hold on, man. I don't know why I can't see gold, man. Just give me a second, guys. Oh, what happened to my screen? Sheesh. What happened to my live stream, guys? My live stream just happened. I mean, it for a second it looked like I see a big. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my stream, guys. I just saw a big YouTube sign on it. All right, let me see if I can plug this monitor. Give me a second, guys, because this is ridiculous. I want my monitor to plug in because I want to see my charts. Let me see. Just give me a second, guys. I think it's working now. Oh, boy. I think it's working, guys. Hold on, just give me a second. All right, so far so good, guys. All right, let's look at this gold real quick. All right, I don't think I want to mess with gold no more. Let me answer some questions real quick, guys. Let's go. Let's answer, guys. If you have any trading questions or anything, any questions at all, let me see. So Adam said, I believe I'm saying your name right. Yeah, I apologize. It says Adama. So Adama. All right, I'm gonna call you Adam. All right, Adama. What is the best time frame to use? Okay, shout out to you. Appreciate your questions. Now, if anybody has any other questions, guys, please type it in. Now let's answer his question. He said, "What's the best time to frame?" Now, that's a tricky one because, again, when it comes to trading, okay, I'm trying to help you guys out and let you understand. When it comes to trading, it's really no such thing as the best. All right. Now there are strategies out here, okay, when it comes to trading that, you know, it's probably a little bit smoother when it comes to, you know, equity curve, whatever the case is. But what I notice is everything usually evens out. So let me give you a good example. And I'm gonna definitely answer your question. So let's say that you have an aggressive strategy, right? And your strategy loses a lot, right? But it's very aggressive, and when you do get a winner, it's like a 10x or 11x. Well, you might have a lot of losers at first, so you might have to take 4 losers. But when you get that 10x, you're up, you know, you're going to take care of all those losers, and you're going to be up 6, right? So at the end of the day, right, you really have to know your personality and know, you know, what fits you. So when it comes to the time frame, okay, I'm trading, you notice I'm trading the 5-minute chart, right? And sometimes I trade a 4-minute chart, right? For the most part on my other charts. And hold on, guys, let me see if I've seen the setup. Hold on, just give me a second. Just give me a second, guys. I'm looking at I'm looking at the euro. The reason why I don't want this resistance right here. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Hold on, guys. Let me show you what I'm looking at right now. I was looking at the euro real quick. Man, it was hitting resistance right here. But I'm not going to take this trade. I was just looking at it to see if it had the ability to pop up. All right. But it's definitely rejecting this resistance right here. Let's look at, we was looking at gold. I don't think I want gold anymore. It's looking weak. Another thing, guys, I'm gonna go back to your question, Adam. Another thing, guys, when it comes to basically, when it comes to the market and trading in general, you have to be patient. You notice I didn't take a trade yet, right? I'm very patient. I'm looking to be like a sniper or a lion in the jungle, looking to attack. Okay. Now, remember I was looking for a trade. Okay. Remember I was looking for a trade right here. Now, this thing is looking like it's consolidating, right? And it's going to break down. I don't like that pattern right there. But, okay, if we get some rejection probably around here, we will see. Crude oil. Remember we were talking about crude oil? Let's look at crude oil real quick. Remember I said crude oil was looking like a good short? Okay. Crude oil is going pretty much down right now. Now we had to check to see if it's going to break these lows, but crude oil was the first one. I was like, wow, this looks really good. It looks good to the point where I can definitely see it going to smack these lows right here. Okay. Now, crude oil was probably the only one I really wanted to get in, but I missed that trade. It is what it is. Crude oil has the ability to smack these lows, so this was a lovely trade right here. Lovely, lovely trade right here. And definitely has the ability to at least break that low right there. I mean, we're right there. I don't see why not. All right, so yeah, so time frame, guys. All right, time frame. I trade the 5-minute chart, right? And you're gonna realize it's not that bad once you understand price. Okay, once you understand price, it's not that bad. Now, if you're trading the Forex market, you might have to trade a different time frame because you're dealing with, you're dealing with spread and stuff. So if you're dealing with spread, that means that you might have to trade I don't know if you guys hear my daughter in the background. You might have to deal with a higher time frame. So if you're trading Forex, 15-minute chart is good. Even the 30-minute to half an hour chart is good. Okay. I'm trading the futures, so I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. I don't have to deal with spreads, so I'm dealing with the futures platform. I'm trading the 5-minute chart. The best thing to do when it comes to trading, right, is to test. All right. So let's say that I tell you, hey, man, I love the 5-minute chart, right? And then let's say that you trade the 5-minute chart, and let's say that for some reason you don't like it, but you like the 15-minute chart. Guess what? If you like the 15-minute chart, guess what? You stick with the 15-minute chart. That's why I said it's very hard to really answer that question. Okay, because sometimes it's really not a concrete black and white answer. You know? Because sometimes it's not the best. You know, it's not a really, a best. Like some people love trading the 1-minute chart. I used to trade the 1-minute chart before. Now I don't. Okay. I like trading the 5-minute chart now. Okay. So at the end of the day, you're going to have to test it out, right? You're going to have to test it out, and you're going to have to see which one you like the best. Ah, boy, gold, man. Gold looking like, I'm looking at gold right now. I have another screen, guys. I'm looking at a gold on the side. I have another screen on the side. I'm looking at gold, and basically, I don't know, man. It's looking like it could bounce this area, but it's overall, man. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Okay, I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I might get in right here. Just give me a second, guys. Gold might be one I might get in. My only concern is this stupid consolidation right here, but it's looking good. I might get in gold. Just give me a second. Yeah, I might get in gold, guys. Let me see if I can get in. Oh, shoot. Hold on, guys. Trying to get in gold right now. Hold on, guys. Sheesh. All right. I'm looking for gold to pop, right? Now, hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm looking for gold to pop. I got to make sure I'm in the right size. Just give me a second, guys. Sheesh. I'm in gold right now, but I don't know if I'm in the right size. Hold on. Sheesh. It happened so quick. Hold on. 32. Yeah, I think everything should be good. Now, hopefully gold pops. Give me that high, okay? Like I said, my only beef is this, consolidation looking crap, but we'll see. Now I'm looking for, let's look at NASDAQ real quick. Now NASDAQ is breaking these lows right here. Most likely it's going to continue to go up. I don't see anything. Let's look at crude oil real quick. And after we look at crude oil, I'm going to go to you guys' questions. Now, crude oil is having a tough time breaking those lows, so it's probably going to reverse. I'm gonna go to your guys' lows. I mean, your guys' questions. Oh, a British. Oh, shoot, guys, look at the. I'm looking at this. I think I missed this trade. This looks good. Hold on. Oh, shoot, this pound looks real good. Hold on, let me back up a little bit. We do got some resistance right here though. It's annoying. But that looks really, really good. Yep. I think I missed that trade too. So pound, guys, looks good. We had pretty much the market was doing higher highs. All right. And ooh, pound, that was a quick trade right here. And basically it popped up, found support right here. Nice little pop right here. So it is what it is. I missed that trade. Let's go back to gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, so gold. This was a nice long right here, guys. Nice little like long situation going on. I'll probably do a quick one-to-one on this one. Oh shoot, missed that trade, guys. Sheesh. That's the only, you know, thing about looking at multiple charts. Sometimes you just miss a trade. It is what it is. You know, but this was a quick winner right here. Very quick winner. All right, guys. Let me look at some questions real quick. Let me see. My thing is up. My thing is up. All right, cool. I'll look for a one-to-one. I wouldn't look for nothing else on this one. Just one-to-one. So we pretty much got it. I'm in gold right now. I'm looking for gold to pop. Hopefully we get that pop. My only beef about gold is we had that stupid consolidation. All right. So it is what it is. Like I said, if gold doesn't work out, I'll look for another trade. It doesn't matter. This would be a nice trade right here. Okay. Just to, you know, get a nice little winner on this one. All right, let me see if you guys questions because my phone is acting up right now. All right, let's see you guys questions here. All right. Do you take trades right at the open? No, I don't take it right at the open. And hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm on this gold trade right now. Hold on, guys. This gold trade is popping up. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I got to make sure my profit target is in place. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'll get to you guys' questions. Just give me a second. So those are two good trades right there. We're looking at gold right now. I don't get why gold on this one is not popping up. I don't get it. Maybe this is lagging. Is this lagging or something? Well, I'll show you on my screen. Just give me a second, guys. Let me calculate this thing. Let me calculate this thing. Hold on, guys. Sheesh. Let me show you guys the trade I'm in right now. Just give me a second, guys. I'm going to show you right now the trade I'm in. Just give me a second, guys. I'm going to show you right now the trade I'm in right now. All right, that's a trade I'm in right now, guys. Right? On a small account. Now, I'm looking for this thing to pop up. I don't know why gold is not popping up on the trading view. Maybe trading view got on the delay or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'm hopefully we get a nice pop. I get a quick 1-to-1 off this, a quick $100 off this one. Hopefully we get this one to pop. So far so good. We'll see. You know, I don't get too excited if I'm in the green, because you know anything can happen. But so far I like this trade. I gotta make sure that we missed the British pound trade. That's the trade I wanted to get in. We missed that trade. So hopefully this trade can give us some profits real quick. We'll see. I want to make sure my profit target is in the right space. All right, it's in the right space. All right, cool. All right, guys. So we are basically, I'm going to keep you guys updated on that trade. Hopefully we can get some profit on that trade. All right. Hopefully. Like I said, if I take a loss on that one, I don't care. It is what it is, but I like it so far. Hope we get a nice little pop. All right. So let's go back to you guys' questions real quick. Let's go back to you guys' questions. You know, like I said, I keep you guys updated. Yeah, I think it's a little. I think it's a little lag on this right here. So you see how it's popping up right now. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so let's look at NASDAQ. I'm gonna get to you guys' questions. NASDAQ, I don't see anything. What else? We missed the British pound. Let me see, guys. Just give me a second, guys. I don't want to miss no trades real quick. Hold on, just give me a second. All right, let's go to some questions. Let's see what's going on here. So gold is trying to pop up. Let's go to some questions, guys. Guys, you can still hear me in here? Because I haven't been checking my chat room. Guys, you guys can still hear me. Trading is very intense. If you don't know by now you know. It's intense. So a lot of times I can't really look at the chat room. Guys, you can still hear me? Let me know. Checking 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's look at US30 real quick. Oh, US30 is going nuts. It's cracking. It's cracking, guys. Okay, let's look at crude oil. Remember the crude oil, we missed a trade on that one too. So I missed a couple of trades, guys. And this is what happens when I trade and I do live streams at the same time. That it's not the best. Crude oil is lagging on this one too, but whenever this one catch up, you're gonna see it broke the bottom of this. So we missed a trade on this one too. It's gonna finally catch up. Remember, I don't trade on TradingView, so I don't got the I don't care about that. So we might take a loss on the gold. We might take a loss on gold, guys. Now, you know, it is what it is. If I take a loss on it, you know, I just miss two trades. So gold is one that I wanted to pop since I missed 2 trades already. But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I think gold is a dud. Hold on, guys. I'm going to show you crude oil because this one is lagging. Let me show you what it's really doing. Let me show you real quick. Let's see if I can get one that's not lagging. I don't know if I get one. Let's see if this one is lagging. All right, there you go. So this is crude oil right here, guys. Okay, you see this chart is not lagging. So we missed a trade on this one. This one was a very good trade. Smart money. You saw smart money come in the market right here. We pulled back. I wanted to get in right here, but you know, it is what it is. And only trade I took is gold, and that one is looking kind of suspect right now, which is okay. Because if we take a loser on gold, I'm gonna just look for another opportunity. Hopefully NASDAQ or the US30 will give me an opportunity. And a lot of times, guys, if you study my videos, you'll know that a lot of times I'm down anyway, my first trade anyway. So, all right, so let's see. So guys, you said you could still hear me. Cool. That's good. That's good. All right, so let me look at some questions, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me look at some questions. Let me see if I missed some questions. Someone said, "Can I look at SP 500?" You are 100% correct. I didn't look at that yet. Let me look at S&P 500. I'm bugging out. S&P 500. Okay, so that's pretty much doing nothing. We have the market is going down, and then okay, we are looking like we're in this big channel right here. So it might be heading down. This is probably a big channel right here. So, you know, overall, it could be heading down. Maybe to the back of the channel, or maybe to this support level. But right now it's bouncing around here, so we'll see. But overall, I don't mean, me personally, you know, I don't see anything right now. I'm gonna check my other chart. I'm about to probably take a loser on gold. It ain't stopped me out yet, but it's definitely looking weak. All right, let's look at S&P 500 on my chart. All right, S&P 500 had a nice little down move. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I'm looking at, guys, on S&P 500, which is the ES and the futures. Okay, so let me show you the, oh man, this is a, they lagging on this one. Let's give me a second. Let me see S&P 500. All right, cool. So this is a good one right here. Pretty much, they don't have the data. Well, we had a nice little breakout right here, and you know, it's hitting these lows right here. So I definitely expect a pop or retracement, and from there, I don't know exactly what it wants to do, but that's not a trade I'm looking at right now. All right, let's read some more questions here. Anybody looks at BTC, Bitcoin? That thing been popping lately. All right, so Sharif said, I believe I'm saying that name correct. I apologize. Best broker for the US30. it all depends on if you're trading in the Forex market. If you're trading in the Forex market, I'm not too sure the best broker. I don't really, you got to check to basically, you got to check. I have a Hugo's Way account when it comes to Forex, and also the forgot the name of that one, L something, Q something like that account. Those are two accounts that are, okay. I don't know like a best broker for that, but those are two accounts that I'm dealing with when it comes to Forex. Now, when it comes to futures, you don't have to deal. I use AMP Futures, the broker, okay, platform. And once you deal with that, you can trade the futures. Okay, you can trade US30, you can trade gold, you can trade oil, you can trade a couple of Forex pairs, you can trade, a lot of stuff. So with that, you just gotta pay commission, and you're not dealing with spreads. So you can look at AMP futures if you want to go that route. All right, so let me see some more questions here. Oh, guys, let's look at the gold, guys. Let's look at this gold. I don't know, man. The gold looking all right. It's trying to look all right, guys. I don't know. What do you think, guys? You think I'm gonna get that profit on that gold? The gold is starting to shape up. It's starting to shape up, guys. What do you think? That gold, guys. Can you hear me? I'm talking to I don't know if I'm talking to the. Let me see. Let me see my chat room is. Let me see how. Let me look at my chat room. Testing 1 2 3. The last comment was cracking. Testing 1 2 3. Please, guys, let me know if you can hear me. You said how much is for the commissions? It's not that much if you trade in the micros. So if you trade in micros, it's like 40 cents. If you trade in micros and you trade in one contract, it's only 40 cents per round trade. Right? It's 40 cents per round trade. Now, if you're trading the regular one, which is the E-minis, it's going to be around $2. $2 like around 2,075 cents per trade per round. I mean, so it's not that much. So we got this pop right here, guys. So we're looking for the market to continue to go back up. We'll see. It's very hard to tell right now. This thing might take forever. So let's look at some more markets, guys. This thing might take forever. Let's look at some more markets while we're waiting for this gold trade. Let's look at all right, let's look at I'm trying to see if I can get another trade. British pound might be on my list. Let's see. So we missed out on this first one right here. We might have another possibility of another one because you could tell smart money came in the building, right? Look at these two nice candles right here, smart money. So if we get a pullback, I might be looking at this right here too. Okay, and then broke through these resistance. This is looking real good, so we'll see. So I'm gonna probably keep my eyes on this British pound right here. If we get a pullback. We will see. Now gold, is gold looking suspect or what? What's up with gold? Okay, gold is trying to do his thing, so gold might take forever, guys. So I don't know what's going on, gold. All right, so British pound. Let's see if I see any other setup, guys. The NASDAQ might have, no, I don't like the NASDAQ. Not really, not right now. But it might have something. It's just that I think the NASDAQ is ready for a turn. All right, let's look to see if I see anything else. Meanwhile, let me see if I see some questions here, guys. Let's go to some questions. All right, so let's see if I miss any questions here. Shoot. When entering in a trade, gold, you said when entering a trade in gold, US30, NASDAQ, what confirmation do you look for? Do you switch for the higher time frame? So that's a good question. Shout out to Alan. Alan said, do I switch and what would I look for? Basically, I'm looking, number one, I'm looking for smart money to come in. Okay, so we have a good example right here. You see these nice looking juicy big candles right here. I'm looking for that, okay, and then I'm looking for a pullback, all right. Hopefully back to the original zone where it started, the push started, okay. And then I'm looking for some type of, if the market is bullish, I'm looking for some type of bullish reaction, okay. It could be, a rejection. It could be some type of bullish bar, okay. And I'm looking to get in. And then from there, it all depends on how the market looks. I will, say to myself, okay, is it time to go for a one-to-one, or is it time to go for just a quick one-to-one, or should I hold this baby? Maybe I go for a 3-to-1, 4-to-1. Let's go to some more questions. All right, I'm gonna take your guys' questions right now. Do you take trades right at the open? Yeah, we answered that already. What's going on, Javier, man? Shout out to him. Javier, we was talking the other day. Shout out to you, bro. Javier said, do I take trade? No, I don't take it right at the open. I wait for confirmation. I wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. Because, the market get really, really wild when it comes to, the market. Guys, I don't know, man. Gold, I don't know. Let me look at gold real quick, guys. Hold on. It might take forever, so I'm gonna switch back to it, but I'm just showing you right now it's trying to pop up, so I'll keep you guys updated with gold. It's trying to pop. I'll keep you guys updated with gold, man. It might take forever though, if it does pop. I don't know if it's gonna pop. We'll see. It's taking forever though. All right, so let's look at some more questions here. All right, so let's go. Crystal, what's going on, Crystal? Shout out to you. You said, hope you're having a good day. Also, what are your favorite chart patterns to trade? Shout out to you. Good question. So my favorite, I don't really have, patterns. So basically, when I think about patterns, I think about, triangle breakouts. I think about, I don't know, double tops like that. So I don't really have a favorite. I guess the best way to explain it is, oh shoot, guys, hold on. I'm gonna answer your question, Crystal. Just give me a second. I'm gonna show you guys the trade real quick, guys. We got out. I don't have any sound effects, but boom, Actually, hold on. Let me see if I find some sound effects, guys. Let me see. I'm gonna hit the. Let me see if I can find a sound effect. I'm gonna hit the bomb button, the ka-ching button, ka-ching, ka-ching. Matter of fact, I do that the next live stream. I'm not even gonna look for a sound effect. It might mess up the live stream. But there we go, guys. We got that quick $100 on that gold. Okay, let me explain the trade real quick so you guys can understand. All right, we got that quick. So basically, if you notice, we have a nice little breakout right here, guys. Right. So, right now from here, notice how from here all the way from here, guys. Okay, smart money just pushing up the market, right? Now, the original zone is right here. When I say original, this is where it started from, right? Sometimes it doesn't come all the way back there. Okay? Now, it came to this breakout right here. Boom, we got a nice rejection. Now you see this nice bullish bar right here? I got in. All right? So let's go back to Crystal's question. Crystal said, okay. Crystal said, what is my favorite chart pattern? All right, Crystal, I don't have a favorite. The reason why I don't have a favorite because the market, if you understand how the market works, it doesn't give you, how would I say, perfect things all the time. You know, the market is not perfect all the time, so it's not going to give you anything, you know, that's perfect. So that being said, okay, when the market pulls back to an area that I love, all right, that I'm looking at, okay, I don't really care what pattern it creates, as long as it creates some type of, if I'm going long right now, as long as it creates some type of bullish pattern that I like, boom, I'm in it. Okay, so I really don't have a favorite because the market. All right, for example, let's say that my favorite chart pattern is I don't know. Let's say it's a triangle break. Okay, now a lot of times when the market pulls back, right, and I'm looking at a key level, it's not gonna give me that triangle break all the time. So the way I look at the market, I have multiple ways to enter the market. I have multiple entries I'm looking for. Okay. And if one of those entries show up, boom, I'm in the market. Okay. And one you see right here, we had a nice bullish bar right here. I'm in that market. Okay. The next time it pulls back, it might not give me a bullish bar like that. It might give me maybe a lower high or something like that, a double bottom. You know, so you have to, you know, whatever it gives you and whatever pattern that you back test it, okay, and say, okay, I like this pattern because it's a good pattern to get in. Okay, that's why it's very good to have stats. Once you have your stats and once you know what pattern that you like when it comes to a key level that you like, then you know you use those patterns. But this is a great example right here, right? So that's a quick $100 on this small challenge, not small challenge, this small account. Let me see here, guys. And the reason why I'm going live, guys, is because I want to show you guys that number one, this is very doable. I'm home right now, right? So it's very doable with a small account. Number two, this stuff is real, okay? Because I'm quite sure you guys see my videos, but I think live would be probably a good way to explain and talk to you guys, right? And number two, you can't fake this stuff. That's the number one thing, okay? Because you have a lot of fake gurus out here on YouTube, okay? Always posting some screenshots, always showing you some fake nonsense, right? But none of them do live trading. None of them, okay? And this is not the first time I did this. You can go to my YouTube page and you will see. Go back to my earlier videos. I did a couple of live streams where I was just trading live in front of my subscribers. That's when actually I had probably had at least 10 subscribers, but still I went live and I think I was trading the 1 minute chart back then, but it is what it is. let's go back to some more charts, and we'll answer some more questions, guys. Let me see. So Crystal, I don't know if you heard my answer, but that's what I look for, and I'm trying to give you the realest, answer, because most people try to hype things up, right? And they always trying to say, yeah, man, this is the best, or this is the best. From my experience, okay, dealing with trading, honestly, it's really no best. It is patterns out here that, work good, but it all has to do with context, right? So I don't really have a favorite pattern. You just have to understand what the market is doing right now. That's number one. I like to look for smart money coming to the market, okay? And I believe if you're new to trading, I think that's a good way to trade, because it's easy to spot them, okay? It's easy to spot them because it's action that basically retailers, we know we can't push a market up like this, all right? Now, this is another good example of a trade where I wanted to get in, okay? And if I was only trading this chart right here, yeah, I would definitely got in this trade right here. Okay, this was a nice. The only reason why is because sometimes it doesn't come back to original, pop. All right. Now, if I was only trading, let's say I was only trading the British pound, okay. Notice how we had a pullback, right? It tried to go up, tried to go down. We had this nice double test right here. Nice rejection right here. As soon as it popped up, I would try to get in right here, right? And that's if I was trading that chart alone. Since I'm trading multiple charts, I'm very, very picky. I want it to look a certain way because I have more options, right? All right, so let's look at some more questions, guys. Magic said, how often do you go live? Well, I went live before a long time ago though. I don't know. I might start doing live. I don't know. We'll see. I might start doing live more often. This is actually the first time I went live for a long time. So, we'll see. We'll see how long, how often I will go live. This is the first time I did in a long time. Because remember, when I create this YouTube channel. Hold on, guys. Before I even talk, let me see if I see anything else real quick. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm looking at some charts real quick. Just give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can see anything. I don't see nothing right now. I want to look at NASDAQ real quick. What is NASDAQ doing? Let me see. So with my charts. Hold on, guys. My charts is acting up. I'm trying to look for NASDAQ. I don't know what is that. Oh, there we go. All right, NASDAQ is not doing nothing right now. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So how often, like I said, when I first started this channel, doing it as a hobby, and my first video I post, I really got like a couple of views. So in my head, I'm like, I forget this thing. I just literally left it alone, and I kept posting maybe once every month or once every 2 weeks, because I didn't really care about this channel like that. Because when you're making money from home, it's not you're well, for me, I guess I can only speak for me. My motivation is not there to try to push this channel. So honestly, I would say like a month and a half ago, for some reason I've been getting a lot of traction. I guess a lot of people saw my videos, or YouTube recommend a video, and then it got some traction, and then I think a lot of people saw my videos and they liked how I was basically looking at the market, and then all of a sudden I'm noticing my subscribers is pretty much almost 600. Okay, so I say, all right, fine. Since I'm getting a little traction here, let me, make some more videos. Let me do some live streams. So we'll see. We'll see how long, how often I'll do these. But I like to react. I like to, interact with my subscribers. So this is cool right here. I can definitely answer some questions live, talk to you guys. That's cool, man. I definitely want to get to know you guys, man. Let you guys know this is possible. All right, let's go to some more questions. What is the best time frame to trade the NASDAQ and the US30, please? Shout out to ADM Pro Studio. Shout out to you. There's really no best time frame. You have to figure out what works best for you. So this is how the best way I can explain it. Okay, I trade a 5-minute chart, right? The 5 or the 4-minute chart, right? I like that chart. I love it. Okay, but let's say that you decide to trade a 5-minute chart, right? You test it out and you say, oh, it's okay. And let's say that you test the 15-minute chart. You say, wow, I love the 15-minute chart better than the 5-minute chart, right? How can I say, bro, you stupid? Why are you using a 15-minute chart? That's stupid. That's dumb. I can't say that because I understand how trading is. Trading is a personal thing. Okay, it's something that if you feel like that fits you better, then do it. As long as you still using the same the same core concepts. Okay, you're looking for supply to come in, you're looking for demand to come in, you're looking for a pullback to that zone, and you're looking for some type of bullish or bearish rejection or setup. Then it's okay. It doesn't matter what time frame you use. So the best answer I can give you is test it out. Okay, test out the 5-minute, test out the 15-minute, test out the half an hour, the 1 hour. Okay, test it out. Me personally, I like the 5-minute. I trade the futures market, so I don't have to deal with no spread. I just deal with commissions, and I can get in and out. Okay, and that's it. All right, let's go back to some more questions. Let me see here. Oh boy, let me see. When you said when you're supply and demand trading, would you not enter where your stop loss was? When I'm supply and demand, no. So basically, when I'm doing a supply and demand, if you look at my earlier videos, okay, I told you guys if you're dealing with supply and demand, okay, you can because the way people teach supply and demand these days, all right. Hold on, guys. Let me look at some charts real quick. Hold on, just give me a second. Hold on, guys. Let me see something real quick. I'm looking for some charts. Just give me a second, guys. I'm looking at some charts. Man, gold is pushing up like crazy, guys. Gold is freaking going to that. Man, I swear, the gold is going to that 20,000 mark. Let me look at some more charts. Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. I will definitely get to your questions. All right, I'm looking at the Dow right now on my other screen. I don't see nothing on the Dow. The British pound looking pretty decent. The gold is actually looking good too. There's a possibility gold might have another pop, another pullback. Let me look at some other charts. The Russell, I didn't even look at the Russell today. The Russell's not doing nothing in there. The Russell 2000. Let me see, guys. And crude oil is not doing anything either. All right, so we can talk. Actually, let me look at one more chart, which is the euro, the euro USD. What is that doing? I don't see that. Hold on. I don't see it on my chart. Hold on. Let me look at the euro. Hold on, guys. Let me look at the euro real quick, and then I'll get to your question. All right, the euro's not doing anything. We're ranging right here, so I'm not gonna mess with the market like this. Okay. So this is why, like I said before, guys, when I'm dealing with multiple markets like this, I just skip some markets that looks, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Okay. We want clear markets. If you look at my videos, I show you guys clear markets, and I'm showing you guys in real time clear markets. That's it. All right, now, he said, how come I didn't enter where my stop was? Now, most videos, when it comes to supply and demand, right, they are entering the market without any confirmation. So they want the market to come back to the zone where it started, okay? And they want, a lot of them enter without any confirmation, meaning they will come back, and as soon as they get there, they will enter with a limit order, okay? I do have a video on my channel explaining that if you want to increase your win rate, okay, it's best to look for some type of confirmation, okay? So when I get in, when I'm using supply and demand, I'll probably get in a little later versus a lot of other traders because I'm looking for a confirmation. Now, I do have strategies where I get in without confirmation, okay? I do have that, but a lot of times I'm always looking for confirmation, a lot of times. So I would never just basically only look for no confirmation. If I do look for no confirmation, I will switch it up. But I'm always looking for some type of confirmation to let me get in the move, okay? So that's the reason why you see me enter the market that way. All right, let's go to some other questions here. And shout out to Trumpinator. That was the I hope you heard my answer. Yeah, hit those likes, guys. Everybody that's looking at this live stream, hit the likes. Before we end this live stream. Let me see here. How much is commission? I was using CONEX for the futures. Basically my commission, like I said before, if you're dealing with the micro, you're dealing with, I think it's 40 cents per round trade. And if you're dealing with, so that's like, if you make one trade, you're dealing with, you're paying 80 cents. But like I said, you can make way more than 80 cents, whatever. And then if you trade in because they got two levels. They got the micros, where it's just the smaller contracts. And then you have the E-mini, okay, which is much bigger contracts. You're dealing with more leverage. So those you're paying at least around $2 per round trade. So around $4, but at the same time you can make, $200 on a trade. So $4 is nothing. All right, so let's look at gold real quick. I'm gonna show you guys gold is actually looking real good. So gold could actually, if you notice how we have another smart money push right here, so gold could actually see another high. Okay, gold could see definitely another high. So I wouldn't be surprised if we create another high, because look at this push right here. A nice another smart money push. Okay. All right, let's go to some questions, guys. Let me see here. When is your next live? Shout out to Natalie. I'm not too sure. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you know. What is the ideal? What's your idea of a small account? Anywhere under, maybe under 1,000. Well, if you really want to be honest, a small account is anything under $5,000. Hold on, my daughter wants to come in. Hold on, just give me a second. My daughter, she's 2 years old. She's trying to come in the door. Yeah, personally, anything, if you really want to be honest, anything around 5,000 or even 10,000 is a small account, because really, like, people that trade in big accounts, they talking about, they look at $5,000 as a small account. You know what I'm saying? But in to be honest with you, a small account is probably anywhere between, anywhere under 1,000. So you're dealing with 1,500, okay, $200. I mean, $200. It's really, I wish you guys can trade more. I understand some of you guys are dealing with a small amount. I wish you guys can trade more than $200, but it is what it is. But anything under like 1,000, 1,000. All right, let's go through some more questions, guys. Can you look at a live Forex signal on tell if you think is good to use? I don't know who is CSL Forex. I don't know. I'm not really right now. I'm looking at the charts, so I'm not really looking at anybody else live stream. But the best thing to do is just learn. Okay, learn the markets yourself. Try to learn the markets yourself. Okay. I don't know if those guys are legit or not. Kendall said, "What market are you using?" I'm using what broker I'm using? I'm using AMP futures right now. So type in AMP futures, and you will see the broker. That's for the futures account. Any advice on someone that blew their account? Jeffrey, man, shout out to you, Jeffrey. Yeah, if you blew your account, bro, that first of all, you have to do the way you deal with any problem, okay? Because that's a problem, right? So the way you deal with any problem, you have to ask yourself questions. So you have to say, okay, why did that happen? Why did I blow up my account? Okay. And if you be honest with yourself, the answer is usually the answer is very simple. Okay. Is you was doing something wrong. Okay. Now you have to ask yourself what did you do exactly, right, to create that that blow up. So the next thing I can think about is you probably don't have a complete strategy, right? Because think about it. The reason why you blew up because you did something wrong. If you was doing something right, you'd be making money. So you got to figure out what it is. Is it your strategy? And a lot of times it is. A lot of times, a lot of people come in the market, right? And they look at one video on YouTube and all of a sudden they think they, Michael Jordan when it comes to trading. And they don't understand when you come to these markets, guys, you're dealing with professionals, right? You're dealing with guys that have $500,000, $1 billion, right? And these guys are looking to take your money. You are the reason why they get paid. Okay? You have to understand, in order for those guys to get paid, someone has to lose. Let me say that again. In order for those guys to get paid, someone has to lose. So you are coming into a game where it's just a professional, right, environment where nothing but professionals. So you have to be prepared for that, right? I have 13 years of experience, so when I come in these markets, I understand, okay, for the most part, what these guys are doing, okay? And then I go from there. And you have to figure out, is it your strategy? There's a strong possibility it is your strategy, right? Or is it something that you're not following and you're breaking your rules? And you got to be honest with yourself, man. This is something that you can't just say, man, it wasn't my strategy, man. I know the market. I'm really good at this. Now you got to be honest. If you really want to do this, you got to be honest with yourself. Okay? So, was it your strategy? Is this strategy good? Are you following your rules? Did you move your stop loss? So, that's the first step, okay? Once you figure all that out, then you work on, okay, what do I have to do next? All right, I gotta get a strategy, right? I get a good strategy. So the steps on getting a good strategy. What is the steps, right? Well, you can do it the old-fashioned way. Roll up your sleeve, back test, look at these charts, see what pattern that you want to get in. See how to look for trends, how to look for a ranging market. See when smart money is coming in, okay? And you write, and you don't just back test. Most people just back test by eye and that's it. No, you got to write it down. You have to have stats, okay? You write it down. How often do you lose? Where do you put your stop loss? Where do you put your targets? How do you hold for a winner, a big winner? All this stuff. And, and I told you guys that, I have 13 years of experience. So I've been doing this, right? I know some of you guys been asking me, hey man, do you do mentoring and, one-on-ones? And I told you guys, I'm coming out with some training videos, right? To show you guys my process so you can skip all that, all the process, right? You can skip the process, and this basically, I show you what I'm doing, how I look at the market, right, with these training videos. And if you have any questions, you can contact me. But whatever the case is, whatever you do, I don't care if you contact a mentor or follow a mentor, whatever the case is, you create a strategy that you have the stats to back it up, and you go on demo, you practice that, okay, you get comfortable with it, and then if you do want to go live, okay, you go a small amount. Stop trying to be a big shot. I'm not talking about you, but I'm just saying in general. Stop trying to be a big shot, thinking that you can turn your $10 or $100 or $200 into 20 grand by, next month. It doesn't work like that. Build it up. If you notice how I'm building up this small account, guys, don't you know I can literally, like, if I wanted to, that trade that I took with the gold, if I really wanted to, guys, I could have made either $300 to $400 on that move alone if I wanted to. But you notice how I'm treating this small account, right? I'm treating this small account, guys, a nice little pop. You see how I said it's a strong possibility we were going to create a new high because smart money came in. You notice how smart money came in? Okay. So this will be another trade I'll be looking to get in. But me personally, I wanted to pull back a little bit more, but it looks like it's about to create that new high. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying. Let me make sure my live stream is still on. Yeah, it looks like it's still on. Shoot, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, my small account. If I really wanted to, guys, I could. Man, bro, I've been doing this for 13 years. I have a main account where you saw how I trade my main account, guys, right? Go to my videos. Go to my YouTube channel. You see me making $900 in a day, $1,400 in a day. Okay, so I can push this small account just the same way, but I'm showing you guys how to do it. How to really do it. Okay, because there's a lot of nonsense on YouTube. How to really do it is you go small first. You get used to that, right? Get used to the process. Make sure that you prove to yourself, hey, man, I can do this. And then you slowly increase. When I was first trading this small account, I wasn't making $100 like that on every trade. I was making $30 on a trade, little by little, building up. Next thing you know, I'm probably going to, increase it more. But that's the right way to do it. Stop trying to force the issue, because number one, if you try to force a small account is not built for any type of pressure, meaning that if you force a small account and you go all in, okay, you probably only got 2 tries. All right, if you try to increase the leverage, and then next thing you know, you blow up your account. So slowly grow it up. and you'll realize, wow, 2 months from now, or two to 3 months from now, you're gonna realize, wow, I'm so glad that I did that. You can't give yourself 2 to 3 months. Think about it for a second. Let's say that you, right, are trading a small account. Let's say that you're making $20, $30 a day, right? I know it doesn't seem a lot, but let's say $20. Let's say, actually, let's go to $30. Let's say you're making $30 a day, so that's 30 times 5, right? So that's 150. 150 times 4, right? That's $600 for the month, right? So you added an extra $600. Now, let's say next month, you say, you know what? I feel comfortable with this. Let's go $60, right? Or $50. So now you're making, instead of making I'm sorry, not $50. Instead of making $30 for the day, let's say you're making $80 for the day, because you increase a little bit, right? So let's say you're making $80 for the day. Okay, 80 times 5, that's $400 in a week. So if you realize things like that, if you understand it that way, where, okay, a month from now, 2 months from now, you can actually start making more than your job, or whatever you're making at your job, or close to it, you're going to start to realize, okay, you know what? Let me take my time. Okay? Because if you rush, I'm telling you, man, you're not gonna basically mentally, you're not gonna be there, man. You don't have a month or 2 or 3 months to give yourself practice. Next thing you know, you're gonna start making money from home. Or like this, I'm not saying that you're gonna do that. I'm just saying, let's say that you do have a strategy, you put it on the work in, you put your practice in. Okay, you understand the market, and you're starting to go live, and you start making money. Okay, I'm not saying this is gonna happen right away. I'm just saying, once you get everything in place, a good strategy, you get all your reps up, meaning you're practicing, understanding the market, right? And then you finally go live, whatever, your small account, and then you banging it for a good month or 2. Okay, and you're gonna realize that second month, you're gonna realize, wow, I can't believe it. I'm making close to, $600, $500 a week. Wow. But some people want to rush. All right. I'm about to get out of here, guys. I'm looking for another trade. Gold was the trade I was looking for, guys. I was looking for gold to pop. Pull back a little bit more. Okay, I don't want this live stream to be too long. I was looking for gold to pull back a little bit more, because you notice how smart money came in. You can see it. Smart money, smart money, smart money. So I was looking for that pullback, but it is what it is, man. We had a nice little pop, because there's a strong possibility we was going to create a new high. Okay, man. Gold overall, guys. Gold is strong, man. Definitely see gold. Hitting that 2,000 mark. It might pull back a little bit more, but it might just keep going up. Let me see if I see anything else before we close this live stream, guys. Let's look at crude oil. And guys, if you have any more questions, guys, let me know. Type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate all my addicts. Appreciate all you guys, man. Let me see here, guys. Yeah, guys. Are you guys still here? The last question was from Jeffrey. Okay. Anybody else have a question? Take advantage of it. Take advantage of this. Let me see here, guys. Let me see if a question, if I missed a question. Yeah, guys, like I say, if you want to contact me, my Instagram is actually, I posted here. I can post it again, but overall, here's my Instagram. Contact me if you want to basically, just learn more and get help from me. Just check the description. Hit those likes. Let me see if I see any more questions. Let me see. Do you have? I think I basically answered all the questions here. All right, so Eli says short on US JPY. Let me look at that US JPY. Why? Let's look at US JPY. All right, on a 5 minute, no. The reason why I don't like this, okay, because basically the move happened already. So for me, I mean, this is. Hold on. This chart is acting up. This is okay. This is not like, put it like this. This is not a bad area to trade. Me personally, I'll probably wait for more confirmation. It's not bad though. It's not bad. I can definitely see it. You know, it can go back, but the reason why is just that I would love to see maybe a double test, maybe a little bit more confirmation. Only reason why I want to see a little bit more confirmation because we've been trending for a minute. You know, it's been trending. You know, the market been selling off like crazy. So this, in my opinion, we could see a bounce from here. That's just my opinion. So if that's the case, I want it, me personally, if I want to go short on this right here, I want to see more confirmation. All right, let me see if I see any more questions. But it's not a a bad, shortened idea. It's definitely not a bad idea to look for shorts around here because the market is weak. This is a weak market. You see the market, selling this market off down here. Okay, we broke. If you notice, we have support. So we broke this. Okay, support area right here. Support. We broke that. Okay, it came back to it. So it's a strong possibility. Yes, it can actually come down. I would look for, me personally, since I'm trading multiple markets, I would look for maybe a double test. But like I said before, just because I'm looking for a double test doesn't mean that this trade won't work. Okay. Doesn't mean it won't work, because if you look at it right now, it's trying to sell off. It's looking good. We'll see. We'll see if it creates that new low. But it's like sellers are trying to push this bad boy down. This is not a it definitely looks. It definitely looks good. It's looking weak, so it could push down. We'll see. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Yeah, my name is Nally. My name is Ben. Shout out to you, Nally. Appreciate it. You said you are one of my favorite traders. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Thanks for the kind comment. Appreciate it. You said keep doing my thing and sharing your knowledge. Yes, man. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share my knowledge, keep doing my thing, answer questions. Help the little guy out, because I know sometimes trading could be, tough sometimes, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing my job as a trader. Okay, I'm doing my job as a trader and as a person that's on YouTube. And then at the end of the day, you guys got to do your job. You got to put in that work. Okay. And then, like I said before, if you want that extra training where we go deep into everything, okay, I do have that. Actually, I created a private group. I think it was Saturday. I just created it. So if you want to join that, then you have that where I go deep into it, show you exactly how I look at it, how I look for my entries, my one-on-ones, how I look to go, how I look to hold a trade for longer, how I enter sometimes with no confirmation. Notice how it's selling off now. Now I'm gonna show you some Eli. You see Eli? This wasn't a bad more, like let's say, remember I said I was looking for more confirmation. This is not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why. Because if you notice, we have multiple rejections right here. So this is not a bad shorting opportunity right here. But my thing was, I rather it come back, try to test the high. It tried to. So this is not too bad. Okay, it's not a bad entry right here. Okay, and the only reason why I'm being picky, Eli, is because I'm trading multiple markets. Now let's say US JPY is the only market I'm trading today. Yes, I'll be in this trade right now. Boom, for sure. Because when you trade one market, you can't be too picky. Because B plus setups is going to work, B setups is going to work, A plus setups is going to work. Okay, so you can't be too picky, right? But if I'm trading multiple markets, yes, I have the option to be picky because I have multiple options. All right, so let's go here. Thank you for checking and set up for me, Ben. I'm short, risking 2%. Just earned a sub, man. Shout out to you, bro. Eli, man. I want to basically have a what do you call that thing? I forgot what you call that. Sound effect. I'm trying to have that sound effect thing. But shout out to you, Eli, man. I'm trying to get that sound effect thing. Have those ka-ching money, the money sound, ka-ching, ka-ching. I don't really see any subs right now. I did like gold. I wanted to get in gold, but it went. Remember, I wanted to get in here, but it just kept going up. So it is what it is. I don't see anything else. Crude oil definitely looks weak, but I'm not in that. Crude oil actually, if you notice, we missed the first trade on crude oil, right? And then it has another one. I'm gonna show you real quick. Let me see. It looked like it had something else, but I don't know, man. I can probably play the breakout on this one, but I don't want to play the breakout. We notice how it's trying to go up. It's chopping around here. We had this nice little push down right here. So I really believe this thing is going to continue to break down. I just don't want to play this thing right here. I think there's better opportunities out here. I don't want to get caught in this little chop right here. But that's about it, guys. Let me see if I see any more. I'm going to look at some more charts. Let me see if I see any more real quick. And if let me see, British pound. Oh yeah, that British pound. Let me see that British pound. We was looking at that one. Remember I was looking at the one, but I didn't really get in. Remember British pound was the one I was looking for, but it just shot up. Honestly, I don't really see nothing. I probably wouldn't get in this one anyway because I don't see nothing for me to get in. It just shot up. But this was a nice one I was looking for. Oh well. But this I wouldn't be in this one anyway. but this is definitely a market I was looking at. Let's look at the NASDAQ before we leave. We're gonna look at the NASDAQ 100. We're gonna look at US30. We're gonna look at whatever chart y'all want to look. Now, if NASDAQ decides to pop up like this, create a nice demand zone, maybe pull back to that demand zone, that's a possibility of a trade. I don't see it yet. The market's still weak, so we'll see with that. US30, before we leave, is basically ranging. I'm not really, touching that. What else we was looking at? Crude oil we looked at already. Gold. Anything else, guys, you want me to look at before I leave? Let me see here. Somebody want to look at CAD? I don't have that. Let me see. NZ CAD. NZD CAD. Okay, this is popping. Definitely, definitely got in this move right here. This is nice right here. You got in this move? Hold on, let me see. Who asked me about this? Eli, did you get in this move? Did you get in Eli? Did you get in that NZ CAD move? That's a nice move right there, bro. Can't even lie, man. Notice how smart money came here. Okay, it pulled back. Okay, to this area right here, and basically, got a nice, some nice rejection right here. Nice little doji bar right here. And then you see a nice bullish bar right here. Okay. If I was looking at this, I would definitely got in this move. This is a nice pop, though. Oh, my gosh. This is a nice pop. Whew. This market's going crazy. News is coming out. There was a 1058 now. I don't think news coming out at 1058. Nice little pop, though. You got in that move, Eli? You said market looking strong, though? Yeah, man. No, sir. You say you missed that? Okay, no problem. I hear you. Yeah, bro. That was looking good. Someone wants to look at S&P 500. S&P 500. Let's look at that. And that's probably my last one. I'm about to be out of here, guys. Be safe out here. I'm gonna continue to look at the markets, but S&P 500. Well, let me see. Let me look at my other chart because for some reason, it's not giving me pre-market. I don't think this giving me pre-market. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I need pre-market real quick. Hold on. Let me look at the ES. Real quick. Even though this is a delay. All right, so this is a delay, but basically, in order for me to trade this, this is not it's just kind of choppy. I like this rejection right here, but let me see. Let me look at it. My other chart. Hold on, just give me a second. Let me say. Just give me a second. I'm trying to look at it in my other chart. My other screen. I don't see it. Okay, I see it now. All right. Okay, so yeah, this rejection right here. I mean, because it's a little late on that one. There's a possibility you could probably get a scalp at that rejection right there. So let me show you exactly. I mean, it's a possibility. You can probably get a scalp around here, these areas around here. But, the way I would play this, the way I would like to play this is if it breaks out of here, then I'll play that. If I see a smart money break out of here, then I'll play that. because I mean it is rejection of these of this resistance right here. So you can probably scalp that for rejection. That's what I would, if I was just only trading the S&P 500, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be looking at that level to maybe scalp, because you know the market is not really doing anything, as in like trending or anything. So I would have to play the range. Okay, but for the most part, you know, it's really not doing anything. All right, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I gotta eat. I gotta take a break and eat. All right, guys. So appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate it. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to get. At one point, I had at least 20 something subscribers here. Not subscribers, at least 20 people here watching this live stream. Man, shout out to you guys, man. I didn't think I was going to get 20 something people. I swear, I thought I was probably going to get like 3 people watching. But man, shout out to all my addicts, man. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all you guys supporting the channel, liking the channel. Thanks for tuning in, man. I want to be like transparent with you guys, man, because there's a lot of BS. There's a lot of BS on the internet. Okay, a lot of people are playing a lot of tricks. I'll probably come out with it with video. How these guys are playing tricks, but they playing a lot of tricks, man. Nobody's doing live trading, these days. I would say a couple of people I see doing live trading, but not too many, bro. They playing a lot of games, man. And I think, showing, even if I'm recording my live trades or going, doing a live stream and going live and show you guys my live trades, this is the best you can get. Period, hands down. Okay, because all that other nonsense, it'd be Photoshop or all that nonsense, But we talk about that in another day, on another day. But talk to you guys later. I appreciate it, man. Hit those like buttons. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. And please, guys, make sure you practice. Make sure you do whatever it takes, man, to get to the next level. Talk to you guys later, guys. And please, guys, you said same time tomorrow. We'll see, man. I don't know, man. Because I might have to do something tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm gonna still trade tomorrow, but I might have to do some in between trading. But we'll see, guys. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. Talk to you guys later. Shout out to Eli, Magic, Javier, Natalie. Who else was in this chat room? Susan. Oh, what's going on? Susan. Who else? Adam, Jason, Chris. All you guys. Crystal, Trumpinator, Shane. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Alan, Phil. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, have a great day. It looks like the S&P 500 is rejecting off this resistance. So like I said, if I was just trading that, Javier, this is how I would play. I would just play off this resistance right here. It's a possibility it's going to probably come back to one of these areas right here. If it doesn't break this right here, but it's a possibility it could come back to one of these areas right here. Now, let's say it decides to break this right here. You want to see smart money. You don't want to see a tiny break. You want to see a smart money break this, okay? Because we do have a push up. So the way I'm looking at this, all right, is eventually, yes, eventually they will probably go up one more time. Probably. We probably hit another high right here because we have a nice little push to the upside, okay? It might work. It might work its way down a little bit more, okay? But eventually, I could probably see this bad boy going up, okay? So keep an eye on that. Talk to you guys later. Please, guys, please have a great day.